boost up your overall wellness, and increase mental power, energy, stamina and strength. Use Shuddh Shilajit Resin to increase mental power, alertness, immunity, vigor and vitality, energy, stamina and strength, etc. Presenting Shuddh Shilajit Resin. It is very good and helpful for mental health. It improves energy, power, stamina and strength. It improves alertness and sharpen your mind. It is derived from high altitudes of Himalaya ranges. It is prepared from 7 steps of different filtration process. Our product is approved and manufactured in GMP certified unit. Our product is lab tested and approved by experts. Take 100 mg to 300 mg once a day with warm milk or water, or as directed by the physician. To order our Shuddh Shilajit Resin, please call or WhatsApp us on 7668500260 or mail us on devsonpharma@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon.